Yeah. I I have to say I dabbled in like different types of photography before I ended up in weddings. But I guess that's life, right? You kind of like do a lot of things, but you never realize that this is actually what you like until you finally do it, and then you connect the dots going back, and that hey, yeah, since young, actually I kind of already like have a knack for this thing. So I guess for myself, since I was young, I've always been very attached to the old film photographs that we have like of our family. So I'm always the one that's keeping them and looking through them and making sure that those books are okay. And then during NS, because I was so bored, right, I just bought the old I think one of the first camera phones, the Sony Ericsson one, and I started off I started a food blog and I just started taking photos. But I didn't think much into it until university when I don't know, just that feeling came again that I wanted to capture something. So I went to buy a camera and just started taking photos of everything, I guess, like landscapes, my friends playing sports. Then I realized that I like movement, photos with movement and photos with emotions. Then that's how I went into like birthday parties and so the birthday parties that I photograph are the ones in Australia, not in Singapore. So not like the 1 year old birthday party. It's the 21st birthday party.
I know.
Or more rowdy, huh?
It's not the baby one.
Yeah, it's a rave one, right? The one
Yeah,
that
so every
yeah.
weekend is like it's a drunk weekend, photographing drunk people dancing, and I like those kind of photos. But I think it got to a point where how much drunk people am I going to photograph? Then I realized, yeah, maybe I should delve more into the softer emotions and the deeper emotions. So I just, got a couple of friends who are going to get married and asked them, yeah, can I take some photos for you guys? That's how I started, I guess.
Nice. So
Cool.
you actually started, I guess, just kind of recapping there. You did a bunch of different things over the course of time, and then through each of those experiences, it gave you kind of more clarity as to like, do I really enjoy this or do I not? And you continually pivoted, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I don't know why I had such a strong feeling towards it. Um, because I actually have the kind of personality that I give up after like 2 3 years. Like I get bored of stuff pretty quickly. But photography, once I got into it, I just kind of had a feeling that this is what I'm supposed to do and this is what I'm meant to do. So I just kept at it. Of course, the journey is quite tough, and I had to try different genres before knowing that what I like and what I don't like. So I guess over the years, I kind of found my own comfortable spot, and yeah, just sat down. Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
And would you call that kind of like a growth mindset, like more experimental? Because I think I'm coming from the context. I think a lot of Singaporeans they're just not as experimental. We don't try as much. There's like a system, and we just kind of follow it. So yeah, just
Yeah.
kind of share with us a little bit, like how do you see it, like trying different things and ultimately
Mm.
getting to where you are. Right.
Yeah. So I guess I'll share a little bit more about how I started. Could be relevant. So I I was studying physiotherapy back in uni, and I was doing well academically. But when it came to the hospital attachments, I didn't do that well because I guess as Singaporeans, I could study, but I'm not very good at talking to people and handling people. So the EQ side of things is not good. So I was an extreme introvert. I didn't really know how to talk to people and handle supervisors and patients. So I failed my attachment, had to repeat the whole year. And because of that, I was previously working on my honors program. And because of that, they removed me from the honors program. So I was very angry. I was like, why did I work so hard for 3 years to get into this program? And just because I failed like one attachment, then they removed me. So it just made me realize how I could work so hard for an institution, right? And it could be so easily removed. So I thought, then I might as well work for myself, because every effort that I put in, every day that I work, I'm the one who's going to benefit from it, right? And if I fail, it's because of my own doing as well. So that was my drive. So I guess that was the trigger. Since then, I'm kind of like a maverick. So I like to change things. So when I came into the scene in Singapore, I didn't know. Oops, I think it just disappeared.
Yeah, that's fine. Keep going.
Okay.
Yeah,
So when I came to the scene in Singapore, I was still quite new, but over time I saw how the weddings were in Singapore, and but I came from Australia, and I could see the difference, how much better it was, and I started to question, why are we doing these kind of things in Singapore? Why does it have to be this way, when it could be better? So I'm always finding ways to change things up, to educate clients, educate couples, educate photographers even, how we could do it better. And yeah, I guess just experiment along the way and see what works and what doesn't.
That's amazing. Hey, this is CS from More Money Malaysia. We are a platform dedicated to helping Malaysians like you make smart financial decisions. And the way we do that is through providing you with actionable advice, such as the video you just saw, right? But we're not here just to become your intellectual entertainment. We really do want to see you succeed, because we want to see you live that ultimate life that you've always dreamt of, right? And in order for us to do that, what we've decided to do is we want to help make it easier for you by providing different types of rewards throughout the months. So make sure you check out the description below, click on that link and see what type of reward you might be able to qualify for by taking action right now. And if you have any other questions about any of this, feel free to contact us wherever you find us. Take care.